Ottawa, how you guys doing tonight? It's so nice to see you all. My name is Jessie Simmons, and I am an artist from Ottawa, proudly from Ottawa. So I got a few tunes for you guys tonight, and I hope you guys jam to it, so let's go. It's Jessie, baby. Quand je t'ai rencontré, j'avais des frissons en moi. Ton regard m'a transpercé. Faced with the feeling I can't deny. Baby, I want you more than one night. From a fantasy to a whole wife. Put your trust in me and change your whole life. Change your whole life. Baby, regarde-moi. Plus jamais seul. Dans les plus hauts débats. Plus jamais seul. Tu doutes, t'inquiète pas. Plus jamais seul. Crois en moi, tu seras. Plus jamais seul. 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 Dans le passé, je sais t'as tout donné, on t'a maltraité. T'es ce qui t'empêche de me laisser entrer. Mais c'est une nouvelle page. Faced with the feeling I can't deny. Baby, I want you more than one night. From a fantasy to a whole wife. Put your trust in me and change your whole life. Plus jamais seul. 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 Oh, oh, Thank you. Thank you. How you guys feeling? Y'all feeling good? I love that. I love that.